Hi everyone, today's video I've got Steve turning up. He's going to help me out the back of the property. We've got lots of work going on there. This is all in preparation for the water main that's going to be laid into the cottage. Now we've got to have a trench dug, so I will have a digger arriving, and yeah, we've just got to clear the area so we've got proper access, not too many bugs flying about on the berries. So we're going to strip it all back and see what we're dealing with. Right, let's get going. Now all these brambles have got to be cut back to allow access for the mini digger. It's quite a tight spot, so it's all got to come down. And this is the top of the bank as well, so all this has got to be cut back. It's quite a lot to do. I think we're in for a really hot day today, so hopefully we don't get too many insects harassing us. The wasp nest in the chimney has been dealt with, so no activity there, which is important before Steve came. So lots to do. It wasn't too long ago that this area out the back here was not pristine, but it was very well kept. Concentrated my efforts at the front, and you turn your back and before you know it you've got a jungle of brambles, so got to be dealt with. I've got a lot of firewood I've got to put in one of the barns. This is pear tree wood. This has come off of these huge pear trees which are 300 years old. They're still alive, I haven't killed them, they've just been topped off at the top. So we've got plenty of firewood for this year. I'll be glad to see the back of these brambles and the wasps. And unfortunately the walnut tree has got to come out as well. It's too close to the barn. Got some massive great walnuts on there, so yeah, a real shame to cut that one down, but yeah, just can't stay there. Sorry squirrel, your legacy's got to be cut down. So this pathway here, or track, will be the access for the digger. So basically we've got to make sure that there's nothing overhanging, and then right the way along the back of these properties we'll dig a metre or so trench down. We'll line it out with some foundation membrane to protect the stone underground, and that will give us a chance to lay in our water pipe, so, and grade away the ground so it doesn't run into the property. And if we get time today, I'd like to have this cut down as well. This is at the front of the last cottage. Grapevine and elder. Needs to be a bit more manageable so we can see what's behind it. Another project in the making there. So Steve's just arrived. Hello Steve.
Oh yeah, how you doing?
Yeah, not too bad. Thanks for coming to me rescue once again.
No worries.
He's got all the gear, he's just getting set up, and we'll see you around the back. Made great progress already. Don't take long once you've got the manpower and the tools. as soon as the weather's right and this has dried out, I'll put it on a big pile and burn it. Now there's restrictions on bonfires, so we have to wait to a certain time of the year before we can burn it. Now that is not a problem, we'll soon just get it out of the way. Cup of coffee, Steve?
That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, you earned it, mate. So yeah, we're making great progress. Always helps when you've got an extra pair of hands. Many hands make light work, so yeah, we should have this done fairly soon. Wow, Steve has just gone. Thank you, Steve, you really did help us out today. That was one epic challenge which you rose to and we done. So yeah, it was really hot and it was hard work. Let me show you the end product. We've got a little bit of finishing off to do, but basically speaking, it's done. So this whole bank has been cleared. Now I've got some black currants in here and some gooseberries, but they'll grow back. There was no way we could cut in between all that, so they had to come out. So we've got a big long sweeping bank here. Now what I'll probably do with this until I address it further is cover it with some black plastic just to keep it at bay. Yeah, I've got just a little bit of stuff here to move, but look at this. What transformation. Now we've got lovely clear access, ladders, roof work, the digger coming down here, putting the water main in. So yeah, done very quickly actually, you know, considering the heat and the amount of stuff here. Yeah, thanks again Steve. Demolition Steve strikes again. So my trailer is fully loaded. I've got a little bit over there to do as well, so we'll get rid of that. I was going to burn it, but I think I'll just take it down to the local tip. They can have the pleasure of that. So we're talking probably 50 to 60 metres of sometimes 6 to 8 foot high brambles that we cleared. Now that was one epic challenge, not too much talking in it, we just had to get stuck into it, which we did. And yeah, look at it now. This is how it was not that long ago actually, so it don't take too long for the brambles to take hold. So if you've got them in your garden and you don't want them, keep on top of it. Right, we've moved the logs over there, so I've got clearer access. What I mustn't do is get too close to the edge once again. I'll probably just do that with my strimmer, because a while back I went off the edge there with my ride on, believe it or not, and landed down there somewhere. Anyway, that's enough for this, so thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Lots of great stuff coming. Bye for now.